part 5 of our series on tracking and maintaining professional development activities such as mandatory training, accreditations and certifications using Jira Service Desk and Insight Asset Management. In this demonstration, we will take you through a number of different reporting options available to you. So firstly, we have some Insight built-in reports. So this report that we're looking at currently is a two-dimensional report showing employees by location. So we can see how many employees in each role are in Sydney and Melbourne. So for instance, we can see our Confluence administrator, we have 3 in Sydney, none in Melbourne. We have 4 consultants in Sydney and 1 in Melbourne. So that's just one way of viewing some of our data. Another example is a pie chart. So in this pie chart, we're looking at our accreditations by status. So we can see how many accreditations we've achieved, how many are expired, and how many are inactive across our organisation. We can also create filtered views within Insight using queries. So in this example, we're looking for job roles that do not contain 2 of the mandatory training objects assigned for every role within the company. So we can see here we've got 2 roles that don't have these mandatory training modules applied to them. So here we can also do a couple of things. We can bulk edit those objects and say we can add those modules to those objects. We can also export the results of this query to a CSV file and open it within Excel. Another option we have is to create a dashboard in Jira and display the Insight reports via dashboard gadgets. So here we can see the Insight reports that we demonstrated earlier displayed on a Jira dashboard. So just another way of seeing things. And lastly, we can also create reports within Confluence pages using the Insight macro. And as shown here, we've pulled a number of queries into our Confluence page to report on. So we've got a query here to show the job roles that are missing those mandatory training modules. We can see expired accreditations, expired certifications, and expired training modules. So that is just some of the ways that we can report on the content within our Insight asset management system.